Hello, creative people. Welcome back to my channel. Last time, I shared with you the basic techniques in botanical line drawing. In today's video, I will share with you more techniques that will assist you in creating beautiful flowers and leaves inspired by Peggy Dean. These techniques will help you draw new interesting motifs that will make your pieces pop. Most of these techniques can be used in designing your journal, card greetings, wedding invitations, diary, or when you feel like doodling. Even the most talented run out of creative juice every now and then. There are days when we are overflowing with ideas and beaming with imagination and energy. And then there are those days when we ask ourselves why we even bothered to get out of bed. For the latter, we need to consult an external source of inspiration in order to recharge our creative batteries. Gaining insight into what fellow artists and thinkers have experienced and learned throughout their lives can be a refreshing way to start getting motivated and generating new ideas. I feel joy in creating works of art. My imagination is alive in me when I do. I also experience peace and relaxation when I express myself freely. God has deposited something in me, so I want to use it to create beautiful things and to glorify Him. Most of the time, I don't like my artwork because I don't have a clue how to do it. Or I don't know how to express my thoughts, feelings, or ideas in art. I feel I'm not good at it. But the desire to create fun, imaginative art and want to improve in my drawing skills and be able to draw anything from planes, cars, buildings and landscapes and everyday objects so I can feel comfortable drawing anything from my memory motivates me. Experiencing this creation and sharing it with others makes my life a little brighter and sometimes brightens others' lives as well. Most of the time, it brings smiles and laughter, or it can disturb or shake someone. The fact remains, it's a window into another person's world. In this way, art has some magic to it. I think it always will. That's what motivates me to create art. you.